Imagine being frozen for 46,000 years, and then waking up as if nothing happened. It sounds like science fiction, but for one tiny creature discovered deep in the Siberian permafrost, this incredible story is absolutely real. In what scientists are calling a remarkable breakthrough, researchers have confirmed that a microscopic worm, a nematode, has successfully come back to life after being frozen for approximately 46,000 years. This discovery has stunned the scientific community and challenged our understanding of what's possible for living organisms. The permafrost of Siberia, a harsh, unforgiving landscape where the ground remains frozen year-round, has become nature's perfect time capsule. These vast stretches of permanently frozen soil can extend hundreds of feet below the surface, preserving anything trapped within its icy grip for tens of thousands of years. Dr. Philipp Schiffer, a group leader at the University of Cologne's Institute of Zoology, led the team studying this extraordinary survivor. The nematode was retrieved from a depth of about 40 yards, or 37 meters, below the surface, where it had remained protected in suspended animation for millennia. But what makes this possible? The answer lies in a fascinating biological phenomenon called cryptobiosis, essentially the ability to put life on pause. In cryptobiosis, all metabolic processes virtually stop. The organism enters a state between life and death, where it doesn't grow, reproduce, or show any visible signs of life. Yet it remains viable, waiting for the right conditions to return to active life. No one had thought that this process could last millennia, 40,000 years, or even longer, explains Dr. Schiffer. It is simply amazing that life can begin again after so long, in the state between life and death. The researchers identified this time traveler as Panagrolimus colimensis, a previously undescribed species. Typically, nematodes of this kind live for just 1 or 2 months. But this particular worm didn't just survive its frozen state. After thawing out in the laboratory, it resumed normal activity and even produced offspring. How does it accomplish this remarkable feat? Scientists believe special molecules in the worm's cells may act as natural antifreeze, stabilizing cellular structures despite extreme conditions. Similar molecules have been found in other organisms known to survive dehydration and freezing, like tardigrades, those microscopic water bears famous for their own incredible survival abilities. The researchers confirmed the uniqueness of this nematode through genome sequencing, discovering that it shares parts of its genetic toolkit for cryptobiosis with Caenorhabditis elegans, a nematode commonly used in laboratory research. The implications of this discovery extend far beyond just an interesting biological curiosity. Understanding how organisms can survive in suspended animation for thousands of years could revolutionize multiple fields. For astrobiologists searching for life beyond Earth, these findings offer clues about how organisms might survive in the harsh environments of Mars or the icy moons of Saturn. For medical researchers, the mechanisms behind cryptobiosis could inspire new approaches to organ preservation for transplantation or food storage technologies. Imagine if we could harness the genes that protect cells against freezing damage. We might develop better ways to preserve delicate tissues or create more efficient methods for storing biological samples. While the original frozen specimen has since died, its offspring continue to thrive in laboratory conditions, providing scientists with ongoing opportunities to study these remarkable creatures. Researchers are now working to identify the specific proteins or sugars that replace water in the worm's cells during dormancy, and investigating whether similar forms of cryptobiosis exist in other extreme environments. As we continue to explore the frozen frontiers of our planet, who knows what other time travelers might be waiting to awaken, challenging our understanding of life's resilience and the boundaries between life and death. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing discoveries from the natural world. For more on this story, find a link to the article on Earth.com in the description.